Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll show you how to make this cute coast keychain. It is beginner friendly because we almost used single crochet to make this keychain. There are two pieces of coast, and then we make the two pieces together by the brown yarn around. Okay, let's get started. I use the beige color and brown color here. Like yarn and 2.0 hook. Okay, let's make the beige part first. Now make a slip knot. First, yarn over, pull through the loop, tighten it. Next, we'll make 12 chain stitches. Four, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12. Skip one chain as the turn stitch and make a single crochet in the second chain. Insert hook into the top loop, yarn over and come out. Yarn over again, pull it through the two loops on the hook. This is the first single crochet. Then we will continue to cross the remaining 10 single crochet. Now we crochet the second one. Number 3. Okay, you crochet it by yourself to the end. Okay, next we'll chain 1 and turn over, crochet another row of single crochet. Okay, this time we'll insert the hook into the whole stitch, okay, into both the top loop and the bottom loop, into the whole V shape. Yarn over, come out. Yarn over, pull through both two loops on hook. Okay, we will crochet total 11 single crochet in this row. Now we finish 2 rows of single crochet. For the next rows, from row 3 to row 10, we make all single crochets like this. Single crochet to row 10. Okay, for this little toast, we will practice more about single crochet. Now we have finished 10 rows of single crochet. Okay. For row 11, chain 1 first, and then turn over. Make 1 half double crochet in the first stitch. Okay. Yarn over, insert hook into the first stitch. Yarn over, come out. There are 3 loops on hook. Yarn over and those loops on the hook. Okay. This is 1 half double crochet. In the second stitch, we'll crochet 1 double crochet. Yarn over, insert hook. Yarn over, come out. Okay, there are 3 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over again, pull through the remaining 2 loops. Okay, this is 1 double crochet. Okay, for the next 2 stitches, we will crochet 2 triple crochets. Yarn twice, insert hook, pull the yarn through. There are 4 loops on the hook. Yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the next 2 loops. Yarn over, pull it through the last 2 loops. Okay, this is 1 triple crochet, and we need to crochet another triple crochet in the next stitch. Make some mistake. Yarn twice, insert hook, come out. First 2 loops, next 2 loops, last 2 loops. Okay, for the next stitch, we'll make 1 double crochet. And then for the next one, we'll make 1 single crochet. And then 1 double crochet. Next 2 stitches, we make 2 triple crochets. Then next one, we make 1 double crochet. And for the last stitch, we'll make 1 half double crochet. Then chain 1 and cast the yarn. Next, we'll beginning end. When 1 piece of toast is finished, we need to make 2 pieces. and then put them together, back to back. And then you use brown color yarn to make them together. And insert the hook on the first stitch here. For the brown yarn, so chain 1 and make 1 single crochet in the first stitch here. Then we will make 3 groups of single crochet increase here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, how to make a single crochet increase? We just make 2 single crochets in 1 stitch. And we can pull the yarn end above the hook, and we can hide the yarn end as we are crocheting. 1 single crochet. In the same stitch, we make another single crochet. This is called a single crochet increase. Okay, we will make the next 2 groups. Crochet in this stitch and another single crochet in this stitch too. Okay, for the next one, we also make 2 single crochet in the same stitch. Okay, 3 groups of single crochets increase are finished. And then we will make 3 single crochets one by one. Then we will make another 3 groups of single crochets increase. Okay, for the last stitch, we just make 1 single crochet. Okay, for the remaining stitches, we just crochet around a single crochet. Make single crochet in each stitch. You can just finish by yourself. Okay, now we have finished the whole round of single crochet. Here is the last one. Okay, now we will make a slip stitch to join this round. How to make a slip stitch? Just insert the hook into the first single crochet we just made, and yarn over, pull it through the first stitch, and then pull it through the last loop. Pull the yarn through the yarn loop, and then cut it. Okay, the toast is finished. You can also use the tapestry needle to hide the yarn end inside. Just have the yarn end inside, and cut the extra end. One piece of toast is done. We can just put a keychain on it. Then a cute coast keychain. Thanks for watching. See you next time.